Hi student. Experiment 1 is to determine the formula unit of compound from given experimental data. For mock calculation, this video will show you how you're going to analyze the experimental data until you can determine the formula unit of magnesium oxide. When you run your experiment, make sure you're able to record the following data. First, you must record the mass of empty crucible and lid. Second, you must record the mass of empty crucible, lid and magnesium strip. After you complete your experiment, make sure you record mass of crucible, lid and magnesium oxide. You have to take several readings until the current reading minus previous reading give the difference of reading equal or less than 0.02 gram. As what you already learned before, to determine the formula unit, you have to construct the table. From the table, we found that we need to know the mass of magnesium and oxygen. But don't worry, from the experimental data, we able to find this mass. To determine the mass of magnesium, what we have to do is deduct the mass of crucible, lid and magnesium with mass of empty crucible and lid. Then we get the mass of magnesium. To determine the mass of oxygen, we need to know the mass of magnesium oxide first. Mass of magnesium oxide is obtained by deducting the mass of crucible, lid and magnesium oxide from second heating with mass of empty crucible and lid. After we get the mass of magnesium oxide, deduct the reading with the mass of magnesium, then the mass of oxygen is obtained. Next, divide mass of atom with its molar mass to get the mole. To find the simplest ratio, choose the smallest number of mole as denominator. Since magnesium has small number of mole, it will act as denominator to find simplest ratio. Make sure you get whole number. If the answer is not whole number, multiply the ratio with a factor or round up it. Finally, you will get the formula unit of magnesium oxide for this experiment with ratio of magnesium to oxygen is 1:1. Wish you best of luck.